Hello everyone. I would like to highlight an app that I have started to use more called Explain Everything. This is available on several platforms, and today I'll be using my iPad to demonstrate the app. There is a category of apps used in education programs called virtual whiteboards. There are several out there, but to me this one is hands down the best. Let's get into the app and I can show you what a virtual whiteboard can do. Here is the main page. This app is well made, and as the name implies, you can explain everything. Let me show you a little demo. I thought what better way to show the app than to use the app to make this presentation. If you click on the New button, it will allow you to create a new project. I have one already prepared, so let's use that one. A little background. The app actually has two versions. Explain Everything, which is the main app, which requires a subscription after a short trial period, after which you are limited to only 3 projects. The second version is called Explain EDU, which is the one I'm using here. This is a trimmed down version, but only a single payment is required. I'm not a fan of the subscription apps, so I went ahead with Explain EDU. You do lose some of the cloud sharing capabilities, but the app otherwise works the same as its bigger cousin. So if you just want to try it, you can download the bigger cousin for free. Let's go on a little tour. As I mentioned before, this app is a virtual whiteboard. Well, what does that mean? It means that you can do an enormous amount of creative projects on an endless canvas, of which I have only done a few myself. You can embed web pages and then draw on them, import images and draw on them, or draw on your own image. Take screenshots, make screenshots, GIFs, import PowerPoints and Google Slides as PDFs, all the while being able to record what you're doing. So here are some examples. Here I've embedded a website. I've gone to the RMU OHP main homepage, and as you can see, it's live. You might say, so what? You could just show them the web page normally, but now I can draw on the web page and I can take screenshots. Here is a slideshow collage using slides from a prior lecture that I've given. You can import images, zoom in and out, and then you can draw on the images. For me, I teach radiologic anatomy, and being able to draw on an image during a classroom activity has been well received by the students. Here I've inserted a box that I've used as a text box. You can either type or just write. So to orient you briefly on the app and how the tools area move, we'll go to this blank area. And from here, the menu is off to the left, and there's a large amount of functions that can be done. There's an import button, which you can import existing images, clip art, or audio. There's a draw tool, for which you can use as a pen. Here's an eraser, a highlighter. There's also something super useful called stealth mode. And what stealth mode does is it puts the content of what you're doing within a red box. So remembering the final product for the viewer is what is only seen in the red outline. And so if I zoom out, you can see your endless whiteboard, which can go on and on and on, depending on your creativity. You can send a copy of what your whiteboard shows to the students as a PDF. If you desired, they wouldn't have to furiously take down notes of the whiteboard drawing. You can basically send them what amounts to a screenshot of your whiteboard. Now I'll admit this app was not the easiest app to use, and it took some time to figure out, as I'm still learning how to use it myself. But it could become a great tool, and you can give it a try for free using the Explain Everything app that I spoke of earlier. Thanks for watching.